Remember the food courts at the malls? They used to give you samples of bourbon chicken. I don't think it really had bourbon in it, but this one does. Let's make it. Okay, so right here I have a bowl with some chicken thighs, and I have some seasonings here. Most of the recipes that I saw did not include any salt and pepper, so I am giving it just a little bit of salt and pepper. It's a dash, seriously, a dash of salt and pepper. So I'm going to add my spices to my chicken, and then I'm going to make sure everything is combined. I'm going to mix all those good spices in the chicken. So now I have a bowl, and I'm going to add some soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and brown sugar. Now I'm going to add some ginger, red pepper flakes, and my bourbon. Now I'm going to give everything a good mix and set it to the side. Here's my hot skillet. I'm going to add some vegetable oil. Now I have this on a medium-high heat, and I'm going to start cooking up my chicken thighs. I'm going to cook them until they get a nice sear on both sides, approximately 7 or 8 minutes on each side. Now here's a green onion. I'm going to chop it up into really small pieces. So here's my chicken. I'm going to flip it over and cook it all the way through. It has a nice crustiness. I'm going to put everything on a plate and set it to the side. Now I waited 5 minutes to let it rest, and then I cut it into little pieces like this. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add my sauce. I'm going to let it heat up, and then I'm going to add my chicken, and then I'm going to mix everything together and let it come up to a bubble. And now I'm going to add my green onion. And this is my creation, a delicious bourbon chicken. And of course, I'm going to pair it with some rice, and I'm telling you, this came out really good. I added some sesame seeds for garnish, and this was a delicious dinner. Thanks for watching.